Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So for all those who do not know me, this is Mansi Ludhwani. I create fashion related videos in order to help women out there who are in the process of building their capsule wardrobe. So let's quickly start with today's video. So today's video is all about creating office outfit ideas and टिल डेट मैंने अपने चैनल पे बहुत सारे ऑफिस आउटफिट इंस्पिरेशन आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया है. अगर आप लोग ने कोई भी वीडियो मिस किया है देन प्लीज गो हैव अ लुक. यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ ऑफिस आउटफिट इंस्पिरेशन एंड दैट्स ऑब्वियसली गोइंग टू हेल्प यू in number of ways. As I was saying, ये video will be about office outfit inspiration, but this is not going to be the usual office outfit inspiration which I usually share. इस वीडियो में what we will do is we will be taking some pictures from Pinterest and ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि जो भी इमेजेस आप चूज कर रहे हो वो आपकी स्टाइल के साथ मैच करता हो. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि कोई इमेज हमें अच्छा लगा, द वे शी हैज ड्रेस्ड हरसेल्फ, एवरीथिंग इज वर्किंग अबाउट हर doesn't mean that that particular thing will work for you also. So you have to keep that thing in your mind. Collect all those images, see what is working for you. अपने लिए आप एक mood board बनाओ. And this video is going to be very helpful for those days when you are in hurry and you feel like you have nothing to wear. So go collect pictures for yourself, create a mood board and start recreating those images. So in this video, I will be sharing the images I have collected which works for my style and I will be sharing with you those outfit ideas. और एक चीज जो मुझे यहाँ पे बोलनी है कि बहुत ज्यादा रेस्ट्रिक्टिव मत रखो खुद को. इट्स ओके इफ इमेज में उसने डार्क वॉश डेनिम पहनी है बट यू हैव लाइट वॉश डेनिम. इट्स टोटली फाइन. लेट्स कीप इट फन एंड इंटरेस्टिंग एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट थिंग्स वर्क फॉर यू. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद लुक नंबर 1.
For the first look, as you can see in the image, it's a very subtle yet classic color combination, that is grey and brown. So मैंने टॉप के लिए इस ग्रे बॉडी सूट को चूज किया कीपिंग इन माइंड द क्लाइमेट, जिसको मैंने फर्दर पेयर किया है ग्रे प्लीटेड ट्राउजर्स के साथ एज शोन इन द इमेज. नाउ फॉर ज्वेलरीज आई हैव एडेड गोल्डन hoops, golden ring along with golden watch. Now further have added a tan colored belt with golden hardware in order to blend everything together, beige pump shoes and a beige tote bag. First look is here. Such an easy yet out of box outfit idea. Definitely is giving old money vibe. For look number 2, the image shows a combination of a denim skirt along with a blue formal shirt. अब since I was not having the same shirt, तो मैंने इस केस में sleeveless button down shirt choose किया. I understand अगर कैजुअल ड्रेस कोडिंग नॉट अलाउड इन योर ऑफिस, इन दैट केस आप एक वाइट बटन डाउन शर्ट के साथ भी जा सकते हो. फर्दर फॉर ज्वेलरीज हैव एडेड गोल्डन hoops, golden ring, golden stack and a golden watch. Lastly have completed the look with a tan belt, beige pointed shoes and a beige tote bag. Look number 2 is here. I just loved how a shirt and a denim skirt is creating a casual yet professional look. You tell me, how do you like it? Third look is more of casual look. If your 9 to 5 allows you for casual workwear, then this outfit idea is definitely for you. Firstly, मैं एक basic white t-shirt के साथ जा रही हूँ जिसको मैंने black trousers के साथ pair किया है. Moreover, she has layered it with a beige waistcoat which I don't have, and that's I guess the fun part of this video. You are allowed to mix and match similar pieces which you have in your own wardrobe. So I'm going with this navy blue waistcoat. Further have added golden statement studs, golden rings, golden stack, golden watch, white sneakers and a white tote bag. Here's the final look. So casual, comfortable yet so chic. And of course, you are going to get loads of compliment for sure. Fourth look is also a casual look, and for this one I'm going with this black tank top जिसको मैंने पेयर किया है डार्क वॉश डेनिम के साथ. अब आप इमेज में देख सकते हो शी इज वेयरिंग अ वाइट लेग डेनिम बट आई डिडंट हैव द सेम, सो आई एम गोइंग विद दिस बैरल जीन्स. नाउ फॉर लेयरिंग आई एम गोइंग विद दिस चॉकलेट ब्राउन ब्लेजर जो कि exactly same shade nahi hai, but I have tried to keep it as close as possible. And for jewelries, I am going with this golden earrings, golden rings, golden watch, a black belt which has got golden buckle in order to keep everything together, beige pump shoes, and a beige tote bag. Fourth look is here. I love how a blazer completely changed the vibe of the whole outfit. It's looking so elegant, modish, and chic. For the last outfit, I have chosen this image because of its color combination. Look how expensive does it look. तो सबसे पहले मैंने एक कॉटन बेस्ड वाइट बटन डाउन शर्ट लिया है जिसको मैंने पेयर किया एक टैन प्लीटेड मिडी स्कर्ट के साथ. अब ज्वेलरीज की बात करते हैं. सबसे पहले मैंने गोल्डन होप्स ऐड किए हैं, गोल्डन रिंग, गोल्डन स्टैक, golden watch, and finally I'm going with this tan colored belt which has got a golden buckle in order to unite everything together. Further, have gone with beige pump shoes and a beige tote bag. This is how the look turned out. This color combination looks killer, will make you look expensive without spending much, and of course you will stand out in the crowd.
So that was all about today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new today. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and please push the bell icon of the channel so that you do not miss any of my videos. Till then, you take care of yourself. We'll meet in the next one. Bye bye.